Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about software engineer Capgemini Superset hiring 2026. So let's talk about this. So finally, the registration process is started. I will be discussing each and everything for this. So this is Capgemini software engineer Capgemini XLR 2526 hiring opportunity, in which they have not provided any overview because I will be telling you the reason for it also. If you will see the eligibility criteria, the 2026 pass out batch is eligible to apply. No other batch is eligible to apply for this hiring. Okay. I will be not providing this link in the description. The reason I will be telling you in the video itself. Okay. So let's start with all the details for which batch this hiring it is, why I am not providing the apply link. I will be explaining you each and every reason. Let's talk about this. This is Capgemini hiring 2026 via Superset, and it is a very big mass hiring which is currently announced. Okay, now let's talk about this. First of all, why I am not providing the link in the description? Okay, because see, it is a total on campus hiring, no off campus involved. Okay, it is total on campus hiring opportunity. Only your college TPO will be giving you the link. They will be saying, yes, our college is eligible to apply. Then only you can apply for this. Otherwise, you will be not getting that assessment. Also, you cannot register for the drive. Okay. It is a total on campus opportunity. Only on campus students for which the Capgemini hiring is coming is eligible to participate in this hiring drive. Otherwise, they cannot apply in this. Okay, it is a on campus hiring, and only the eligible colleges are eligible to participate in this. Only your TPO will be providing the link. That's why I'm not providing you the link. Also, that's why they have not provided the criteria, because it has some different criteria for different colleges. Okay, because for some colleges they are only coming for one position, for some colleges it is coming for two position, for some colleges it is coming for three positions. Okay, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So candidates graduated in 2026 is eligible to participate. Academic qualification is MCA, BE, BTech, open for all branches for both B and BTech, but it is specific to college. Okay, specific to college, because this criteria can change. I am just telling you the generic criteria, because it totally depends upon in which college they are hiring, what kind of branches they are eligible to participate in your college. Okay, candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing any process, must be flexible to relocate at any Capgemini location, should be open to sign service level agreement at the time of joining, but it is also like specific. Okay, it is also college specific. For some colleges maybe there would be a short agreement, for some colleges maybe there is no agreement. Must have minimum 60% marks in academic. So for some colleges they have told the eligibility criteria will be 60%. Okay, this would be the eligibility criteria. There is a generic, it's a generic job description eligibility criteria. It is not applicable for all college, but from one college I just picked up the eligibility criteria. Okay, not talking about the process structure. So in the pre-placement talk, okay, they have shared the structure. Is screening is important? Yes. There could be some shortlisting. Okay, there could be some shortlisting in which they can do some elimination, some elimination. Okay, using your resume. So based on the resume, they can have some eliminations. Okay. So what would be the hiring process look alike? So first there would be registration and screening. So this would be your first stage in which you will be registering for Capgemini. So registration is your first process. Then screening, they can screen your resume. Also the basic eligibility criteria they will be checking. Then there is English assessment. Okay, so English assessment, they will be having one English SVAR kind of round. This would be the first round, and this is the updated syllabus. Then there is technical assessment. So for technical assessment also, they have multiple MCQ. Okay, they have multiple MCQ from different subjects. Then there is coding assessment, where two coding questions can be asked. Okay, then there is cognitive assessment. So in cognitive assessment, you will be getting the game based aptitude question. Okay, and there is technical interview then. Let's talk about the round details. So first there is English assessment shared by the PPT team. In the English assessment, the English communication module assessing listening, speaking, reading and writing. It's a first elimination which will be virtual in nature. So the first assessment will be virtual, means online. Okay. It is kind of SVAR test in which they will be checking your speaking skills, listening skills, reading and writing skills. Okay. So it kind of SVR test it will be, and basic listen and repeat question, reading and repeat question, jumbled sentence, this kind of sentence you will be getting here. Then there is technical assessment, which will be consisting of data structures, algorithms, fundamentals of databases, cloud, networking. For role specific to your streams, technical assessment would comprise of stream specific topics. Okay. So now this is also like something different, because for some specific streams they will be changing some topics, but generally the questions will be related to data structures, algorithms, fundamentals of database, cloud and networking. Okay. And this would be a total MCQ round. It would be a MCQ round in which they will be asking you MCQ. Okay. Then there is coding assessment. It will include questions, scenarios for coding with options in either C, C++, Java. So only three languages are allowed. Python is not allowed. Only C, C++ and Java is allowed. Candidate can choose the language of choice of coding. Cognitive assessment includes a game-based approach for assessment. So it would be our game-based assessment. Various competencies like logical reasoning, decision making, problem solving, okay, behavior insights. So this you will be getting in cognitive. And then there are interviews. Students who clear all the rounds will be invited for technical interviews. This will be your process, which actually Capgemini confirmed. Okay. Then how to register? See, the registrations are started. The registrations are started, and now you can register for it. The registration will be continuing till I think 9th of September. Then for whole month of September, there are exams from Capgemini. Okay. I will be covering each and everything related to exam. Okay. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you have not. Okay. So I will be teaching you everything. First and last thing, you can enroll you can enroll in our mock test series. Okay. So mock test series, Arjun series mock test, you will be getting link in the description. It is for each and every company. You can use for Capgemini as well in future also. If you will be getting assessment for any company, all the syllabus is covered. It is a mock test series, complete mock test series. Feedback is really great for this series. So quantitative, you will be getting the mock test. Reasoning, you will be getting the mock test. Verbal, reading paragraph, gamified assessment, pseudo codes, data structures, algorithms, CS fundamentals, SQL, OOPS, data interpretation, word development, communication assessment, coding question, everything you will be getting. So let's take example of Capgemini. So Capgemini first takes the English test, right? So English test, if you guys can see here, English test we have covered in this mock series. Okay. So in this communication assessment, actually, it would be English test. Okay. So English test we have already covered here. Okay. Then if you will look for other syllabus, so English test is covered. Then there is technical assessment. So if you guys can see here, CS fundamentals, you can see here, each and every topic is covered for technical assessment. Data structures, algorithms, see here, 10 mock test, around 200 questions. Okay. Then there is coding test. So for coding test also, previous year questions, sheets are covered. Then game based assessment is also covered for tech. Not only for Capgemini, you can use this test for each and every company, even for TCS NQT. TCS NQT will be coming soon in future, so you will be also getting that in future. Okay, so you can use this particular mock test for that also. So a lot of things you are getting. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.